Yo, it's time to drop some knowledge. Physics in the house, let's take it to college. From Newton's laws to quantum schemes, we're breaking it down, fulfilling dreams. I'm talking Newton, gravity's king. Three laws of motion, hear them ring. Objects in motion, stay in that state unless a force makes them deviate. Force equals mass times acceleration. Third law's about action and reaction. Apples falling, planets in the sky. Physics explains the reason why. Physics rap, let's explore the laws. From macro to micro, the universe's cause. Energy, motion, light and sound. With physics, the world's profound. Electromagnetism, it's Faraday's show. Maxwell's equations, making the flow. Electric fields and magnetic might. Electrons dancing in the night. Einstein came through, E equals MC. Mass and energy, a cosmic pair. Relativity, bending time and space. Physics takes us to a new place. Physics rap, let's explore the laws. From macro to micro, the universe's cause. Energy, motion, light and sound. With physics, the world's profound. Quantum mechanics, particles and waves. Schrodinger's cat, in two states it stays. Uncertainty principle, Heisenberg's claim. Probabilities, nothing's the same. String theory ties dimensions unseen. Multiverse theories beyond our routine. From black holes to cosmic rays, physics illuminates the Milky Way. Thermodynamics, heat and work. Entropy grows, in the shadows it lurks. Laws of energy, conservation's key. In every process it's plain to see. From classical roots to modern day, physics paves our scientific way. Innovations, technology rise. Thanks to physics we're reaching the skies. Physics rap, let's explore the laws. From macro to micro, the universe's cause. Energy, motion, light and sound. With physics the world's profound. So when you wonder how things move, remember physics has the groove. From atoms to galaxies far apart, physics is the science, the beat